The newly presented 2023 Harley Davidson Breakout marks a substantial update on the model that remains one of America's most iconic and requested motorcycles. The Breakout's striking new look is its distinguishing feature. The 2023 model's chassis, exhaust, mirrors, and engine are all clad in chrome, unlike the previous generation. This is a new 26-spoke turbine wheel with black chrome-plated 21/18" F/R diameter. To help you ride longer, the 2023 Breakout also gets a larger 19-liter, 5-gallon fuel tank. With a wide chrome strip down the center, this tank serves the dual purpose of reinforcing the look of the new Breakout, which you're sure to enjoy from a 25.6-inch seat. The Breakout's taller handlebars will also make you feel more comfortable while riding. The Breakout offered to ditch the previous Milwaukee 8-114 engines in favor of the larger factory Milwaukee 8-117, which also came with the Lowrider S and Lowrider ST. It produces 101 horsepower and 123 pound-feet, an increase of 7 horsepower from the 2020 model, and flaunts a heavy breather intake for increased aesthetic appeal. However, what remains identical is the chain-driven 240-section rear wheel and 6-speed gearbox. Likewise, the braking hardware, single-disc brakes on either end, remains as is, so you'll probably have to plan for decelerations in advance given that the new Breakout weighs 683 pounds in running order. There are almost no electronic rider aids to watch your back, as you only get a handlebar-mounted LCD, LED headlamps, cruise control, and ABS. Traction control, meanwhile, is an optional extra. According to all reports, the 2023 Harley-Davidson Breakout ranges from $20,999 to $21,524. It comes in 4 different color options: vivid black, black denim, beige orange, and silver metallic.